Good morning, Panthers. I am Yari.
And I am Rochelle. Today is Friday, October 4th, 2019.
Today's lunch is pepperoni pizza or cheese pizza.
That sounds delicious.
Now to Destiny with today's weather.
Good morning, Panthers. I am Destiny. Today's going to be cold. We will have another cloudy day. It looks like our temps will start in the mid-40s and make its way to the 50s. Now, back to you in the studio.
Today's fun fact is you can cut a pie into 8 slices with only 3 cuts.
Wow, I didn't know that.
Today's joke of the day is what kind of dinosaur loves to sleep?
I don't know.
A stegosaurus.
That's funny.
This week, Miss Hewley's class had the closest answer for our science mystery question. Here's Mr. Duffy with the answer.
Hey, Zanewood scientists, Mr. Duffy here for another opportunity for you guys to share or to hear the answer to our mystery science question of the week. Now, I'm out here on location because there's a couple of reasons. One is because, well, if you look down, you can see in our garden or in our outdoor classroom here, we have leaves that are on the ground. And that means that our leaves are changing. And I don't know about you, it kind of makes me wonder why. Why do our leaves turn different colors in the fall? Well, maybe you had a chance to talk about this. And I don't know if all of you really did, but I'm hoping you had a chance to talk about this week. And I think maybe one of the things that we think when we look at trees, like the one behind me, is that when this starts to change colors, we might think that it's dying, when actually the opposite is true. Trees don't die in the winter. In fact, they're really, really good at surviving in the winter. You see, when it becomes fall and the trees can tell that it's starting to get colder outside, what happens is that the green in the leaves is actually this substance called chlorophyll, and it's really, really, really small, and it's inside each of the cells in each of the leaves in the tree. And the tree works really, really hard to make green chlorophyll, and that green chlorophyll actually helps it to eat the sunlight. That green chlorophyll actually helps to bring in some of that sunlight during the summer. But during the winter, the tree doesn't want to lose all of that nutrients and all of that work that it had to put into creating the chlorophyll in the green, in the green leaves. And so what it does is it actually sucks in or brings in that nutrients into its branches and into its trunk. And the truth is that some of these leaves here, that like this one that's yellow, we might think that, well, it's not green anymore, so it's dead. But the truth is, well, this leaf had fallen off, and that's why we call the season fall, right? But the truth is that the yellow and the brown in this leaf, those colors were always there. They were just covered up by the green chlorophyll. So the colors of red and yellow and brown, all of those colors that are in the leaves have always been there. We just haven't seen them because the chlorophyll has covered them up. But now that the tree has taken in that chlorophyll and that nutrients, the leaf
Tune in on Monday for next week's question.
Thank you for joining us.
And make it a great day, Panthers.